okay?
Yes, I'm good.
The little one has to organize them all, or he's the referee.
He's the referee. Wow, that's amazing.
To be busy.
They like to be busy. That's the new one. That's the training one, right?
That's the one in training.
That's the one in training. Oh.
She likes to toy just as much as he does.
In training. I guess some of them have learned your trick patterns too. When you trick them, they can sense it.
And sometimes when we're at the hayfield, we'll have like maybe, there's 10 dogs here, but we'll have maybe 24 dogs altogether.
Oh.
And when we're done working sheep, we'll put the sheep away, and then the dogs all just race. And it's a 50-acre field, and it's just like a school of fish. They all go out there, then they spin around, and they all go back a different direction. So